Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Brussels Sprouts Baking. Today we're going to be making vanilla ice cream, but with a hint of Brussels sprouts. Keep watching to see how this recipe will turn out. Start by attaching the ice cream paddle and freezer bowl to the mixer. Turn the paddle on low and add 1 quart of half and half and half a cup of heavy cream. Add in 3/4 cups of white sugar, along with 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. Add in a pinch of salt. Churn the ice cream according to the manufacturer's instructions. Go ahead and grind a cup of Brussels sprouts and put that in. Transfer the ice cream to a freeze bowl and freeze it for several hours. There you go, your ice cream is now ready. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.